Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison of the Snorple anti-snoring mouthpiece versus an anti-snoring backpack. We're going to dive into both and see which one is the best for stopping snoring and is worth your money. Before we hop into that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell for future updates on uploads, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who may snore. So this video is done in collaboration with Snorple. I've used Snorple for over a year now and I really like this product. It comes in a bag like this, and the nice thing about the bag is that the instructions are listed right on the back. I do have videos that go more into detail on how to set up the Snorple for the first use, but overall it's very simple. You're essentially dipping the device into hot water for about 15 seconds, biting down, rinsing with cool water, and you're pretty much ready to go. Now with the Snorple, it does come with a nice little carrying case, so this is very small. You can put this in your nightstand, you can take it with you to travel. Very simple to use. Now the Snorple stops snoring in two different ways. It holds your jaw in the best position to eliminate snoring, and it also has their proprietary tongue bumper, which suppresses your tongue to help eliminate snoring as well. Now the Snorple has 15 different adjustment variations, so no matter your mouth type, it should work fairly well for you. Now it's very easy to use. You essentially just are going to unsnap the top from the bottom, which is very simple to do. And then it has these holes on the upper plate, and then it has these two little dots on the lower plate. You're essentially just going to line it up with where you want it to be. So if you have an overbite or underbite, you can adjust it accordingly. Also with the tongue bumper, you can either completely remove it or you can move it backwards. So pretty much once you've figured out what position you want your mouthpiece to be in, you snap it back together and you're ready to put it into your mouth and go to sleep. It's really as simple as that. And pretty much you're only really adjusting it the first time or two that you wear it until you get, you know, the most comfortable configuration for yourself. And then after that, you're just putting it in every night and that's it. It's very simple, very compact, just, you know, super easy and simple to use. So the great thing about the Snorple is no extra pieces and it actually stops snoring. Like, key thing here, it actually stops the snoring, and it has worked for me, it has worked for my boyfriend, and it is quality. I've been using my Snorple for over a year and I have the same Snorple. It works just as well as it did the first day that I used it. Now when it comes to the anti-snoring backpack, so first off, this backpack, as you can see, you guys, is huge. Inside of here it has like an inflatable little tube that you have to blow up with air, which is never fun, blowing anything up with air. Also, if you have pets, this can be subject to getting punctured by your pets or anyone with really sharp nails, and it's just uncomfortable wearing a backpack. Like, think about this, who wants to wear a backpack to sleep? Now the other thing also is that it didn't stop my snoring at all, and it takes up a lot of space in the bedroom. Like, it takes up a lot of space in your bed. So if you sleep with someone else, this can be uncomfortable. Like, because you literally are wearing a backpack, and as you move around, it's going to be bumping up against the person that you're sleeping with, especially if you don't have a very large bed. Also, because this is so big and bulky, now you have to find some place to put this big bulky backpack. Just sleeping with a backpack is just never going to be the best idea in my personal opinion. And like I said, it didn't stop the snoring, which was super annoying. Also, the other thing with this model is that it does have a piece that goes around your waist, so you're pretty much buckling yourself in here after you put it over your shoulders. And personally, I just found it very cumbersome. Also, like, I found when I wanted to get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, I could not sit down on the toilet with this on. I would have to unbuckle myself, take it off, and when you have to go, you have to go. So I just find it very cumbersome. So overall, I feel like the Snorkel is the best bang for your buck. The Snorkel is only $69 and you get free shipping with the discount code SheilaFree at checkout. It's totally worth the money to get an anti-snoring mouthpiece that you can easily custom fit to your own mouth, that has the adjustability where it can work for multiple people in your family if multiple people snore. It's a really great device and great value. So I hope you guys will head over to snorkel.com and check it out today. Make sure to use my discount code for free shipping, SheilaFree at checkout. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.